morning. We've just packed up and gone ready. I'm giving you a tiny tour of the room because this is where we've stayed. There's a double sink. There's a bathroom with a shower curtain that's got frogs on it. Frog. TV. Here's the 2 beds and the table and the TV area. And that's our room. I love our room. Epcot for final morning. Day really, because we've got most of the day here because we've got to leave the park at 3:45, so it's kind of a full day really.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say,
That's you.
to help you start your day.
That is beautiful.
Literally be at your fingertips. Because our home's information network lets you view your daily planner all.
To Mexico to the Grand Fiesta Tour, which is amazing. I love this ride so much.
Donald Pinata. Longest figment ride.
We're still not completely done. Look at Mum's ice cream. It says some people are worth melting for and it's cute. And I've just got a Mickey ice cream sandwich. Ooh, that looks good. And this is mine. Yum. Bye Pluto.
That's a short bit.
Bye Epcot golf ball. Goodbye fountain. Goodbye red monorail. Finally back in the UK. Got stuck.